Alright, today we're going to make a slow cooker herb chicken with potatoes and green beans. And we're going to do that in the crock pot. So, the slow cooker here, we're going to take one small onion, and we have sliced those. We're going to put those in the bottom of our crock pot. We're going to follow that with 1 pound of baby potatoes that we have sliced in half. Evenly spread those out across the bottom. Then we're going to take 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. Place those on top of our potatoes.
You know what I like about this?
What?
What you don't eat, you can put in the freezer and have a meal later on.
Oh yeah,
because this freezes really well.
That's delicious. All right, in the small container here, I'm going to have 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. I'm going to take this, I'm going to spread it all over my thighs.
Your thighs or chicken thighs?
The chicken thighs. All right. Then we're going to add, we have here 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. We're going to spread that again over everything. And we're going to use 5 teaspoons of minced garlic on top of everything. We're going to have 1/3 cup of chicken stock and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Pour that on top. We're going to put a lid on. We're going to cook this on high for roughly 3 to 3.5 hours. Once our potatoes become tender, then we're going to add our green beans. All right, we have about 30 minutes left before this is done. So we're going to take 8 ounces of green beans. We're just going to scatter those across the top. And we're going to cook this for about another 30 to 45 minutes. All right, it's been 45 minutes, our green beans here. They still got a little crunch, but not much. Stick that. We got our chicken thigh there. Look at that. Falls apart. A few potatoes. A little onion. Probably another chicken thigh because those chicken thighs are small. So, there we go. A delicious, easy, slow cooker herb chicken with potatoes and some green beans. It's great for any night of the year. Give this recipe a try.